Imagine you're shopping for a project management tool for your retail team. You land on the homepage and you see a testimonial from a SaaS startup founder talking about code sprints or agile workflows. You scroll, you leave, because this page wasn't built for you. And that's the silent killer of conversions. Generic testimonials. Words that don't speak to the person reading them. Every industry has different set of challenges, and if your social proof doesn't speak your customer's language, they will not listen. But what if your site could show the right testimonial to the right person at the right time? So again, you're shopping for a project management tool for your retail team, and then you see this testimonial. The testimonial is from a fellow retail entrepreneur, and the message hits home. Dynamic testimonials turn social proof into targeted trust, and trust drives conversions. GrowthOS makes it possible, and it does it without rebuilding your website. First, we install the JavaScript SDK to your storefront. These sources allows GrowthOS to track the important event that we will use for the personalization. GrowthOS captures each user's industry right from the demo request form or the sign-up page. In Otto's case, we add an industry field to the Book a Demo page. This feeds directly into the GrowthOS using the JavaScript SDK. Now every visitor is tagged with the most important context. What kind of business do they run? With that context in place, we launch a new personalization campaign in GrowthOS. We use the URL of the page we want to personalize, and then we create a new personalization campaign. We can create different variants, and each version is designed for a specific audience, built using the visual editor. Make sure to click on the toggle tab to create personalizations. All these variants doesn't require code and no engineering sprint. We can configure the personalization based on audience, display, and schedule. This version targets mobile applications. It shows a testimonial from a mobile app developer talking about improvements in their efficiency. It is a relatable piece that potential mobile app developers might just be looking for. And this version targets SaaS visitors. It shows a quote from a tech innovator who is a known name in the space talking about real-time collaborations. And now e-commerce sees Alex from Trend Fashions talk about his views, which might be just the trust factor other e-commerce teams are looking for. Here, each experience is triggered by the user's industry attribute. GrowthOS handles delivery automatically, so every user gets a testimonial that feels like it was written just for them. Once live, GrowthOS begins personalizing your site in real time. Users will see what matters to them instantly. No more one-size-fits-all testimonials. No more outdated quotes that confuses more than they convince. And it's not guesswork. GrowthOS tracks which testimonial variant is seen and how users behave afterwards, and what converts best. And this is how your content learns. Test different quotes, refine the targeting, and measure impact by industry. Dynamic testimonials aren't just for your homepage. You can use them in your pricing pages, demo flows, or onboarding screens, anywhere that trust matters. You can even build follow-up journeys that reflects what testimonials the user saw. If someone viewed a SaaS testimonial, send them a white paper or a feature overview. If they saw an e-commerce testimonial, you can nudge them to use additional features. This turns one relevant quote into a full funnel personalization moment. People only buy when they trust. But trust isn't just one message. It is the right message for the right people. With GrowthOS, dynamic testimonials let your customers do the convincing automatically and at scale. Whether it's e-commerce, mobile apps, or SaaS, you don't need more testimonials, you need the right ones. So start your first dynamic testimonial campaign today and let your success speak for itself.